one must do one's utmost to hear all of the Megillah word for word precisely, without mistake or without missing a word, etc. Which is one of the reasons I am personally not at all happy with the minhag of making noise every time Haman's name is mentioned. There are minyanim where this minhag is not allowed, and I very much prefer such minyanim. In my own minyanim in the past, that's what we did. In the Temanim minyan that I went to for many years in Yerushalayim, that was the practice. There was no disturbance at all when Haman's name was mentioned. There was plenty of noise made before and after, but not during the reading of the Megillah. And I think that is a very proper way to do things, for a number of reasons. A, for this very reason that we mentioned here. In other words, sometimes the noise and the commotion results in a word or more not being heard clearly, distinctly by all. And secondly, it's a tirhad sibura. It makes the kriya much longer. If every time Haman is mentioned, you spend 30 seconds being moheath shemo, well, people's hearts are in the right place, but not everything goes by the heart. You also have to use your head. And that's not a correct, reasonable practice.
Thank you, Rabbi Bar-Hayim. We would like to encourage our viewers to share these videos with friends and send in your responses. We would also like to suggest the following opportunity to our viewers. If you identify with Rabbi Bar-Hayim's message and would like to sponsor or dedicate a video interview with the rabbi in honor or memory of a loved one, if you would like to obtain Birkon Nusach Eretz Yisrael or invite the rabbi for a speaking engagement, please email us at office@machonshilo.org.